What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which has hit another green candlestick guys. It is up just over 20% in the last 24 hours, and the pump literally took place within the last 2 hours, currently trading at 0.01617 cents. So is it back on its way to the 2 cents target? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Yesterday it did take a little bit of a dip, yesterday and the day before, and right now it's pumping again. So we're going to be looking at, is this the recovery of Jasmy, or is it going to drop back down in value? And mainly focusing on buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as you guys can see, we've got the SMA indicator here in purple and the actual value of Jasmy here in red. So there still is quite of a huge difference between the two values, so there is a chance that Jasmy may be slightly overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming days, but I will get into that later on in the video. So for now I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we've got the blue and the orange now looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning this is not realistic. Again, reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 2.5 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is clearly not the case. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, heading to around 0.017 to 0.018 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, it is likely to hit red candles in between as well, taking little dips down to about 0.015 cents and then pumping back up. Again, it is going to be quite volatile with both red and green candles, but what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point that does seem to be more on the positive side, heading to around 0.018 cents. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days, again it is still looking quite steep, looking very bullish, and again that's not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, Jasmy should essentially have gone above the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. So over the next week or so, again, don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days. It is likely to hit the odd red day, just like what's happened over the last few days here. It's dropped in value quite a bit, and a lot of people stopped trading the crypto because of the drop. And in my previous updates on Jasmy, when it was pumping, I did warn you guys, do expect it to take a little bit of a dip before it pumps back up, and that is exactly what's happened. So over the coming week, do expect dips as well. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, heading over the 2 cents value is what I'm expecting by the end of next week. So yeah, even if there are going to be dips, the overall outcome from my prediction seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the daily chart, now we are looking way too steep once again. This is not just the last 24 hours, but over the last week it has gained an insane amount of value. So the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction over the coming weeks and so on, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, which I do agree with. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid April 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value way past the 2 cents target, potentially just above 3 cents. However, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to go for a price correction, potentially dropping down to just below the 1 cent target over the early March to mid-March, and then slowly starting to gain value for the second half of March, April and May, heading over the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, for example a major crash or a major pump or anything that can have a major impact on the value of Jasmy, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, an overall increase in value is expected from Jasmy over the coming days, weeks and months as well. But do bear in mind, Bitcoin halving is coming in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will also keep you guys updated on in a future video. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scales. So as you guys can see, we are back into the green zone. When we were trading in the green zone a few days ago, I did expect it to drop back down into the red zone and then pump back up into the green zone, and that is exactly what's happened. And once again, I am again expecting it to drop back down into the red zone over the potentially early March, and then head back into the green zone by late March, April, May, and heading into the top tier, not top tier level, but into the blue zone here around April, May time. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 5% in the last 24 hours, making it $505 million in trading. However, since it has started to pump right now, there's more and more people trading the crypto, so this value here in red should turn green over the coming hours as more and more people will start to buy and sell the crypto, and much more traders as well. But overall, in the last 24 hours, the trading volume has gone up. As you guys can see, it was around $395 million earlier on this morning, and right now has gone up to $505 million. So this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, and also comment down below, when are you guys expecting the crypto to hit the 2 cents target. Comment down below February, March, and if you want to be specific, comment down the week or the exact date or whatever it may be. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what your takes and your predictions are on Jasmy. Do they, agree with mine, or do they disagree? Comment down below, guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I will be doing regular or even daily videos on Jasmy, so if you guys want to stay in the loop on my predictions and takes on this crypto, make sure to stay subscribed to the channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.